good harvest precautionary measure is having the disc hooked up, just in case something really bad happens, such as a fire in the field with the combines. It's no Pro Till, but she'll do. The plan last year was to buy a Pro Till. I was gonna sell my swather, take that money and put it towards a Pro Till. I wanted a Pro Till, my wife wanted to buy a house. So we compromised and we bought a house instead. So now I have no Pro Till. I have a place to live. We started wheat yesterday afternoon after it dried out. This is insane. Insane. I've never seen this before. Just started wheat today. I'm full already. 70 to 75 bushels. It's dry. It's kind of dry. No, it's dry. It's still maturing. Still maturing. So it's been 2 weeks since this was desiccated. This is wheatland wheat, but look how thick it is. Like, I'm going 2.6 miles an hour. There and back is all we can do because you're full. Some unthreshed white caps, they're called, just because the kernels are kind of burnt in the head. A little bit of that going on. That's okay. Just look at that. Like, the combine is just roaring. Just roar. It's just working. We thought we would be, above 3 miles an hour, but that is just not gonna happen. Turn the cross auger off. So we don't need that turning. My dad says he's never seen anything like it, and neither have I. It didn't even rain all of July. Imagine if it did. It'd be 100. Started up again this morning, a lot earlier. We have reinforcements coming later, one more guy. So we're gonna switch around and hopefully get a good chunk done today. It's windy already, it's supposed to be 50k wind and 30 degrees, so a nice drying day. It was, and it ended up being dry yesterday. My field average is 13.8, and my yield average dropped a little bit to 65, which is still crazy. It was right around 70. Then we got peas being hauled out in the yard also, so we got that going on. And we're not pushing crazy fertilizer rates. 70 pounds of nitrogen on this field. So the nitrogen didn't grow this crop, the rain did. 11 inches of rain until the first week of July, and then it stopped raining. So it really hasn't rained since then. So there's a lot of heads, but the wheat is fine. Like, if it did rain in July, this would be 80, 90 bushels. It's crazy what there is here. Can't go very fast. It's really nice to be done with those peas, cutting on the ground and scooping dirt and rocks. Wheat standing pretty good. My Contour Master Buddy wheels, I'm at the 2, so I'm like, a foot off the ground or so. Wheat is lodged in some places a little bit, like there, but hit those with the harrows on a nice dry day. That'll disintegrate. Get this field ready for next year, but yeah, it's standing pretty good. I have a nice line set up if we can unload going north.
Yeah.
Okay. What's it at now? Close to 35?
36.7.
36.7. 36,000 kg. I think I have the scale
Would you like me to unload it to first?
calibrated fairly close, I think. This field's done. Now we have 450 acres across the road here. We gotta switch around. Taylor is gonna make her debut in the combine. It's a big moment. She's been grinding in the grain cart for years, down in the minors. You know, it's a big moment for a farm. You get called up to the show, driving the combine. It's pretty big, so I gotta debrief her on that. We'll let her loose in here. And then Noah, my buddy, he's stuck down in the East Coast League, so he's gonna get called up to the grain cart, to the AHL. He's gonna show up here pretty soon. And then I guess my dad is gonna start hauling because we got 2 tridums full. And there shouldn't be anything in the Super B yet. Okay, a couple hours later, we're still chewing. I'm in Dad's combine. He is unloading trucks. My wife Taylor's in the other combine. Noah Rocky Balboa is in the grain cart. Little washout here. Oh, he is pretty full. Jeez. One second here. She gave Noah a lesson in the cart. I gave her a lesson in the combine. Everyone's doing a really good job. Can you just slow down a little bit? One second here. Gonna fill this front. It's tough stepping into a new piece of equipment. Things are so big. Second. Okay, what's your scale say now?
40.
Yeah, you're full.
I can go in the other tridum, Noah.
Before we were having to stop a combine to unload some trucks, but you know, we're missing Ronnie. He was the prime combine operator, so we're down a guy, but
then you'll probably have some
we're doing good.
left in your cart, and you can just leave that in your cart. Just remember to empty out the auger. Yep.
And we still got the cross auger running because the valve is leaking. I think there's a bypass in there when you go to shut it off. Well, if you shut off the cross auger, it leaks oil everywhere. So the only way to not have it leak is you got to run the cross auger. So that's our short-term solution for that. 20 after 8, still chewing. I'm down to 2.3 miles per hour. It's just grumbling away. Lights are on. Need to point the back of the header lights down. They're pointed straight out. They could be pointed down. I'm out of snacks. Still chewing on my apple. It's getting brown. I'm just gonna throw that out actually. It's kind of old. The same. We're packing it in. Well, we did pretty good, team. Almost about 200 acres done today.
Let's go for 300.